Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still believe this is an uptrend. This is probably not even close to being over on the monthly. I think it's going to make a nice five-wave shape to the upside, most likely eventually take out these highs. Probably head all the way up to these higher Fibonacci levels before we actually do get a real turn to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I actually believe we're already in a wave 3. I think that this right here is the end of a wave 2, probably a running flat wave 2. And I think on these higher time frames, it is most likely going to eventually keep going up for a wave 3, eventually make a wave 4 and a wave 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, we definitely do have a nice clear three-way pattern right here. I mean, if this really was a wave 1 and it really is a wave 2, most wave 2s do take out the low of wave 4. So we do have to keep in mind that it could possibly go down quite a bit further. And we do have interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar, which actually could cause it to go down further. But for now, I'm definitely going to stick to the idea that this is three ways down to a Fibonacci level, and that there's a better chance that it may just keep on trending up, especially looking at the weekly and the monthly. How bullish they are makes me think that this may not even go down, take out the low of wave 4. It may just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement out here, and I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs. Now we are at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, and if price starts to go below that level and starts to close below that, then that definitely is going to turn me into a seller, because that pretty much proves that this sets and a movement to the upside is over. But I'm watching this 78% closely, because if it does make an impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long. I still think there's a pretty good possibility that we are going to continue the uptrend. Like I said, I think this right here may be the end of a wave C, and if that's the case, this is like a 1, this could be like a 2, and it could keep going up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, keeping all that in mind, what I'm looking for on the 1 hour time frame is like a rejection of this Fibonacci level. I would like to see like a double bottom and a break of structure, but it may not do that. So if it does turn into like a big impulsive bullish move to the upside, starts taking out some of these highs of these previous candles, I definitely would take that as a long, and I do expect that it could just keep on going up. Now, like I said, I would be careful, because if it starts to go below the 78% and starts to close below that 78%, I would actually at that point switch up and start looking for sells in a downtrend. So this 78% is definitely a pretty key level to watch, to see whether it respects that level and turns up, or whether it doesn't respect it and keeps going down. And if it does keep going down, then I will get in short at the end of the next pullback. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.